Just an hour south of Sydney, the Royal National Park offers one of the most peaceful forest walks in New South Wales. Surrounded by towering trees and the soft sounds of nature, it's the perfect place to slow down and unwind. The trail is easy to follow, ideal for all fitness levels and rich with native wildlife and plant life. Whether you're here for a quiet morning walk or an afternoon escape, the forest will welcome you. Close to the city, but a world away, this is the Forest Walk at the Royal National Park. Oh, and stick around till the end to find out what surprise might just hitch a ride with you if you take the trail. I'll give you a hint. It's small and slimy.